Hi, this is James with Moxa. Today, I wanted to give everyone a closer look at Moxa's updated network management software, MXview 3.0. This server-client software allows engineers to configure, monitor, and diagnose network devices in a single platform that is intuitive to use. Let's take a look.
MXview is very easy to install on your Microsoft server or workstation. With just a few clicks, you're ready to discover your network devices using the MXview Setup Wizard. Here is where you would enter your network information. The wizard will discover and decipher how each network device is connected and intelligently create a graphical picture of your network. We know that the connected nature of IoT has put more challenges on the expansion and integration of network management. With MXview, you can create multiple sites and groups, providing a very scalable solution, capable of addressing up to 20,000 devices. Not only can you view Moxa devices, MXview supports third-party devices with mid-compiler and mid-browser. Something network engineers will appreciate is the customizable dashboard of network statuses. This allows quick access to the information that's important to your specific network. MXview is your central management, providing real-time notification of your network status. MXview also provides the following additional benefits: comprehensive reports, including VLAN, inventory, and availability. Multiple options for events and notifications with self-defined threshold and duration. Generate OPC 2.0 compliant tags to integrate with SCADA or HMI applications. It provides RESTful API and web widget to embed MXview into industrial applications. It also has configurations and firmware updates, and you can check the security level of your devices with Security View. MXview also has a mobile app called MXview To Go for remote monitoring and notifications. You can download MXview To Go through the Apple App Store or Google Play. For a free download version of MXview 3.0, visit our website at moxa.com. We hope you found this inside look of MXview helpful. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.